So now click on my account on the top right corner. Click register and then insert your email address. We have this email address for this video. Now press register. Now you're in your account panel. Then you can press become a vendor. And you can register to become a vendor. Insert your store name and email. Then press confirm. Then it will send you to the setup. You can put your store logo. For now we're going to have the banner only. So select files and then you can upload whatever you want. You have your shop name again and then your store email. You have the store phone, then store address, and if you have more addresses, then you can put it there. In the store or city, in the town, store postcode or zip, and the store country. It's required. For now we have Malta, then store state / country. It goes on for now. Now I have the shop description. You can tell what you sell and everything. For now, let's continue. Then you have the payment set up, so you can put your preferred payment method and the payable email. We don't have one for this video, so let's just skip. Now the policies, so we have the shipping policy, the refund policy, cancellation / return / exchange policy. And the support setup, then you have the phone and the email. An address, then both the addresses, or you have only one. For now we're going to have this email. You can choose your country, city / town, then the state, and the postcode or zip. And continue. Then the store SEO setup, then the Facebook setup, so if you want to put on the socials, Twitter setup, and then let's just skip now. In the store socials, you can put all your Twitters, YouTube, and whatever you want. We're gonna skip this time. Now we're done, and then let's go to dashboard. Now you're in the dashboard. You can edit your store. You can go to settings, and then if you haven't finished, you can always finish here or edit. Then you can choose between a slider or video. For now, we're gonna have a static image. And for also store list, you can also choose. Then you can go to the payments. You can choose preferred payment method, then the shipping, the shipping type. Then we have customer support and the store hours. Then we have reviews. People can review your store, so new customers can decide. Then you have the orders. People can buy from your store and the orders will appear here. Then you can choose date range, where you can see all of the orders between those dates. And the payments and the coupons, if you have any coupons, you can add them here. And customers can use them to get discounts on whatever they buy. The code and description, and discount type, and the coupon amount. The coupon expiry date is when it expires. Then you have the products. You can add new here. You can select catalog, virtual, and downloadable. We can also add our logo for the picture. Then you have the product title. We're going to have a face mask. The price will be 20, and it's in euros. So you have the sale price if you make a sale. You can also add how much pieces you have in a box or one order, and then you have the color, or if you have any colors, and the short description and description. And the categories, you don't have any categories now. You can put it at draft or submit. The submit will be when you actually submit it into the store and people can buy it. They can press on my store, and in a dashboard, yes, you can now press on my store. You can see your store. We don't have anything because we haven't published anything. We have only saved as a draft. Now we have the settings again, and then we can log out whenever you want.